WP Stars. My name is Chef Akmal. Welcome to my restaurant in Woodfire. I'll show you a dish called Chlorophyll. It's this dish made from green vegetables only. It's vegetarian, it's vegan, so I'll start now. So we have here is edamame beans made into puree. For texture, for creaminess. And this is kombu, marinated seaweed. So we have patikwa, edamame, chard, sugar snaps. We have bok choy, also lightly grilled on the fire. Thai asparagus, and also green grapes. We dress this a bit with white balsamic on olive oil, a bit seaweed, stir. So the whole main purpose of this dish is to create a salad without using any salad leaves. So we have baby spinach, we have thinly sliced Japanese kelp, a bit more white balsamic vinegar, and we plate. That's it. This is our 11 Woodfire Chlorophyll. Hello, welcome to WP Stars. My name is Chef Akmal. Welcome to the Woodfire. Today I'll show you how we prepare our classic bone marrow. So we have beautiful bone marrow that we cut in half, which is pre-cooked a little bit. Now we put it on our wood oven. It's about 700 degrees. Here, the marrows are hot inside. It's really hot. We use oak wood for our fire. We'll bring this to the fast. So we just lightly salt the bone marrow. So what we have here is veal Jew, black pepper, Sichuan pepper, and curry leaf we made into the sauce. We dress the bone marrow. We have a homemade bread, similar to a donut recipe. So that's it. Break your bread. Dip in the bone marrow, enjoy. Hello, welcome to WP Stars. My name is Chef Akmal and welcome to the Woodfire. Today I'll prepare you our signature Seabass. So we have a nice, beautiful 600-gram whole Seabass. We deboned it. Seabass comes from Greece. Here's a marinade made from Kashmiri chili, preserved lemon, garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper. So we'll rub this on the fish. The key to this dish, it has to be fresh. The fish has to be semi-fatty, and that's it. more on the skin. So once done, we have our custom-made fish grill device. Set it up. Now to the grill. So what we're doing here is only embers, not fire. So since right now, and then slowly we get the crispy skin. See now, crispy skin. So my chef will turn. Here we have white cabbage, just cooked slowly with olive oil, a bit of onion, put it on the base. Then the fish. It looks easy, but it's not. Good olive oil, sea salt, chives, and lime. That's it. Woodfire signature Seabass. Hi WP stars, welcome to Woodfire. My name is Chef Akmal. This is my assistant Gladys. We'll show you our signature bone marrow chocolate dessert. So first, what we have here is our phyllo pastry. We baked it with a little bit of sugar and butter, clarified butter. So next step, we have pecan nuts with sugar caramelized. Banana, which we had roast this slowly over our wood fire. We mix this well. The whole concept of this dessert is to imitate the bone marrow. So how we would do a dessert that signifies our concept, we thought this could be a very interesting dish. So now we put in a bit of caramel. Now we have a chocolate pudding or mousse, pipe on top of it. a little bit of sea salt. And we'll grate dark chocolate. Place this on our plate. A bit of chocolate in the bottom so it doesn't move. Now we'll put a little bit crumble for our tonka bean ice cream. This ice cream is made from milk chocolate and tonka beans. So, there you have it. Woodfire bone marrow chocolate.